All right, good evening, gentlemen. Welcome to the ninth day night, the party night, and it'll be a bigger party once the winner takes trophies. Hopefully, they'll sponsor a lot of single malts for us. So, first of all, to start on this way, I would like to call President onto the stage, please. President Dayakar Reddy, our Captain Ajay Reddy, our Secretary BVK Raju Garu, our committee members, Sanjay Kamtam from the House Committee, Jesse Birgi, our Joint Secretary, Captain Ramna from FMB Committee, and I'm not sure if anyone else is here. Please join us if any other committee members are here. A few words from our President would like to say a few words on Sankranti Cup.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, fellow golfers, members, and all the non-golfers who are also around here enjoying the evening. It is indeed a festive atmosphere with all the kites flying around. So I want to thank, first of all the members for participating. We got a great number of participants in this event. The Sankranti Cup, we started last year. It's a rolling shield. This year, we have one of the artists who has actually created the rolling trophy that you see on the right side with all the kites on that. And just maybe somebody can turn that trophy around a little bit or just lift it up and show it, Rama. Now, this is as close as you're going to get to receiving the trophy. Special appreciation must go to all the committee members who worked very hard behind the scenes to make this festive atmosphere. Our house committee, Sanjay and Captain Ramna behind the scenes, and of course our tournament committee headed by Srinath Kotam made it into a very great experience and a wonderful, flawless tournament conducted by him, and also our course committee for bringing our greens back into shape, and we all enjoyed putting. Of course, few of us didn't like the putts that we made, 3 putts, 4 putts or 5 putts also in some cases. But I think the greens have really turned around wonderfully. This is as close as we are going to get to Sankranti. Unfortunately, because of the government order, we have to cancel the Sankranti festival, which has been our marquee event. We tried very hard if we could somehow get it done, but we definitely don't want to do it because of the COVID situation is very, very bad, and our safety is more important. Hopefully next year, by then, we'll all be over the COVID situation. So please enjoy the evening and have fun. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Srinath and his team and Ramna and his team have done a fantastic job. I know. I'm coming to you. Amazing food and all the lovely hospitality organized by the house committee. Absolutely impeccable. And the entire ground staff and the greenskeepers have done a fantastic job. We were having some problems with the greens and some of the course conditions, but I played yesterday and we had a fantastic round, and it was a very good experience. The greens were really back to our old greens, and they're only going to get better now. Shall we get on with the prize distribution now? I give it back to Kotam. Welcome for this lovely evening, and we are having a great time. Thank you.
So moving on to the Sankranti Cup 2022 spot prizes. So the first prize, status drive on hole number 18, goes to Anirudh Sai Ramesh. Anirudh is not here, so I'll request Krishna, come on to the stage to pick up the prize, please. Our Vice Chairman Ramarao Varu will give out the prize. Krishna, turn the trophy. So the next prize, Ramarao, please stay there. So the longest drive on hole number 3 goes to Tarun Kumar Verma with 273 yards. Tarun's only second tournament, I think, and already to the winning circle. And closest to the pin on hole number 7, Dinesh Allah with 4 feet 7 inches. 4 feet 7 inches. I saw Dinesh somewhere. Yeah, he's here. With a tough pin position, I think everyone agrees. Hitting 4 feet is awesome. He loves the challenges, I believe. Well done, Dinesh Allah. Thank you, Ramarao Garu. Moving on to the next prizes, I invite Captain Ramna to the stage. So the next winner, ladies winner, including junior girls, the winner is Gurupreet Sandhu with 30 points. Gurupreet needs to buy a new house for all the trophies he takes from us. Moving on to the next trophy, our seniors winner, about 65 years, with 34 points, NZ Nagarjun Reddy. Nagarjun Garu, don't forget to give party is out there. Last time you took a big one home. Congratulations, Nagarjun Reddy Garu. Thank you, Captain Ramna. Moving on to the next set of prizes. In the category of 19 and above, I would request first Sanjay Kamtam to come onto the stage to give the trophies. So the runners-up trophy goes to Ramesh Kumar Karra. Well done, Ramesh. So Ramesh got 33 points. Moving on to the next winner, net winner in 19 and above category, Y. Lakshmi Narayan with 34 points. YLN Garu, please come onto the stage, please. So YLN Sun. Moving on to the next category, in 14 to 18 category, our net runners-up is Manikant Reddy. I invite our Joint Secretary to come on the stage. First I should invite you. Well done, Manikant. And the net winner in this category is Shekhar Nukala.
Oh.
Hey, Nooks.
Shekhar is walking fast.
So, I saw Nook's game. His pata is hot.
Yeah, Nook बहुत जल्दी आ गया
With Shekhar Nukala got 34 points. Congratulations, Nukala. So the runner-up trophy with 36 points
14
is
18.
our category 0 to 13 is Namala Srinivasan. Vasu also sponsors our junior tournament, so big round of applause, please. Our junior golf is well supported by Vasu Namala and his company. The net winner in category 0 to 13, Agastya Reddy with 37 points. Agi, well played, captain. Yeah, is Ajay Reddy's son, if anyone didn't know. I'm sure most of us, Captain Ajay Reddy's son. So well done, Agi. Thank you, BBK Garu. Moving on to the next main trophy. So the gross winner, the main trophy gross winner is Mehra Parthasarthi. So we have a special trophy for the second day. Second day overall stableford points only for second day. I invite our captain to give away this trophy. The net winner for the second round with the stableford points of 34 is Vilok Gadwal. Our Shankranti Cup runners-up is Daksh Baswa with 69 points. I invite captain and president to the stage to give away this trophy. He's training at home also, I believe, so he's not letting them sleep.
Okay, now Viren, don't get emotional.
Viren, don't cry. Well done, Daksh. Of the Shankranti Cup 2022, I invite captain and president to give away this trophy too. With the 75 total 2-day points of round 1 and round 2, the winner is Abhijay Jaiswal. Big round of applause, please. This is the rolling trophy. And thanks to our sponsor, our Ramchandra Rajagaru, who sponsored the rolling trophy. Well played, Abhijay.